Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over my toolkit that I keep in my Overland rig. Starting on the exterior, I have a tape measure, rag, utility knife, a tire pressure gauge, some electrical tape, a ratchet strap, a couple hose clamps, some zip ties, a wire brush, some wide electrical tape, Allen standard and metric set, a small ball peen hammer, the handle to my bottle jack, my aluminum lug socket, a tire iron that fits my aluminum lug socket, some more zip ties, some wire cutters and wire strippers, leads to multimeter, leather gloves, tire patch kit with cement. On to the main part of the bag. Aerosolized fire extinguisher, crescent wrench, some channel locks of various sizes, needle nose pliers, snap ring pliers, both sided, chain pawl, a funnel, snatch block for my winch, various fluids, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and 5W30 motor oil. My air compressor kit, and various standard and metric wrenches. Stubby screwdrivers, pick set. Onto the Craftsman socket set. This is a Versa Stack series that stacks to the bag. So unlock button. We have 1/2 inch drive with some small wrenches of both sizes. Complete 3/8 set with your spark plug adapters. Then on the top, I have redundant Allen key set. The same on this side for your standard size. Your regular screwdriver, nut driver, and all the 1/4 inch sockets. I have an actual fire extinguisher. Bottle jack we talked about. Come along. And maybe 10 feet of chain.